Hey everybody, I decided to go live on Facebook because with the program I am using, I can get your chats that way and I'll just upload it to YouTube. So I am going to give everybody a second to get on and then I'm going to start my little live video. Okay. As some of you probably know, I am a Chalk Couture. My name is Angela Davis. I am a Chalk Couture designer, independent designer. And recently they came out with a new catalog. And this is a Celebration Suite catalog. It's a smaller catalog, kind of a little in addition to the catalog they came out with in January, and then they'll come out with another one later on this year. And I recently ordered some cool products from this catalog, and I wanted to do some unboxing on live Facebook. I thought that would be a lot of fun. And let's get started. You can buy these products on my website. I put the link down below. And I probably should have opened this earlier. Well, it's very secure, as you can see. Chalk Couture, if you're not familiar with it, is a relatively new company, and they have developed their own chalkology paste that you can use on chalkboards that dries and won't smudge, but then comes off easily with water. So it's very cool. Okay, there we go. Now, one of the first things I got one other color of chalkology paste. I have all the colors, but I didn't have emerald. And they recently came out with the 3-ounce jars. They were much smaller before. So that's pretty cool. This is my first 3-ounce jar. It's a lot more paste, but this stuff lasts a long, long time. So that's my first thing. I got a bunch of squeegees. I think I'm going to do a little class with some of my my middle school daughter's friends. So I thought I would get a bunch of the small squeegees. Those are $4.50. They're very, very neat. You have to have these. These are awesome. So I ordered about 10 of those. Now let's get to the fun stuff, the transfers. Okay, very cool. Let's do one at a time. Okay, this first one is called Live Life in Flip-Flops. How cute is that? If you can see it. Got several little flip-flops and then the cute little phrase. I will definitely be doing a chalkboard with that. That is adorable. Love that. Like I say, you can get all of these on my website that you see down below. The next one is, I got several of these because I thought this would be one of the fun little projects for the 13-year-old girls. It says, "Summer is my happy place." I thought that would be kind of cute with a rainbow effect with your chalk paste. That's cool. So I got a few of those. These are $9.99. Then I got several of these Be a Unicorn. I thought the girls also might like these. This is $14.99. As you can see, it's got the base and an outline and another overlay for the tail and the mane, and some little stars and a cute little phrase, "Be a unicorn in a field of horses." I think that's super duper cute. So I may do a little class with the little middle schoolers with that this summer. I think that would be fun. Then this is a cool transfer. It's called Let Freedom Ring. This would be a good one to start out with if you've never done Chalk Couture. Very easy to do with the wording and these cool fireworks. So this would be a really good one. We've got Flag Day, Memorial Day coming up, Flag Day, and then July 4th. So this would be a very, very good transfer to get. It is $24.99. You could do red, white, and blue Chalkology paste. The pastes are $12.99. Again, you can check them out on my website. I will put all the links in the comments below. Okay. Then, wow, this is really cool. This one is called Vintage Truck Add-on for the Summer. Now what this goes with is a cute little vintage truck. You can buy this separately for $14.99. It's called the Single Vintage Truck. And every season they have add-ons to go with this. You can put stuff in the back of the truck, like I've seen pictures where you can put, like, see the beach ball and surf board in the back of the truck, and all kinds of really cute stuff. So they have Happy 4th of July. You can put little boxes in there, fishing poles. How cute is that? I have another set that's fall where it has pumpkins. So this is definitely a very good investment because Chalk Couture continues to come out with additional transfers that go with this truck. And as you've seen on my previous Chalk Couture video, I did the Enjoy the Journey, and that is also in the new catalog. When you cut up your Chalk Couture transfers, you know, you'll get a bunch of little pieces. I put them in these cute little craft folders, and I print out a picture of what the transfer is. And I cut it out on my silhouette. So that's how I store the little stuff. And then also every month the designers get a Club Couture transfer, and next month this is what it's going to be. It's super duper cute. It'll be available June 1st. So at the end of this month I will be doing a project with this one. So that's going to be super cute. I love that. And let's see, I think that's pretty much it for my unboxing. So there's some really cute products that are new and available. And for anybody that places a $20 order with me through the end of May, they will be in a drawing to get this brand new. This was the March Couture transfer. I've never used it. It's called Live Life in Full Bloom. I'm just not much of a flower person, so I'm going to put all the names of the people that spent $20 on my website before tax in a drawing, and you'll be able to get this for free from me. So make sure and check out my website and all these cute new transfers. And if you spend $20 before taxes on my website before the end of May, you will be in a drawing for this really cool transfer. Thanks for watching.